welcome to my YouTube channel. Today the topic is primary key and how it is marked. Before we start, if you are new, so don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Now let's move to the topic. What is the primary key? Primary key, every record in a database and must table must be unique. The uniqueness of record is granted by a field or a group of fields that contain the unique values in the table. This field of the group of the fields is called the primary key of this table, and steps designate the primary key of field by right clicking on the record and selecting the primary key. If none of the existing fields in the table produces the unique values of every record, a separate field must be added. After done above, when we save the work, it will ask you to forgive the name to the table. Give a meaningful name to the table and save it. In this, how to add and delete the records in the table, and adding records are there. Data is entered into the table in the datasheet view, and to add the data to a table, open the table in the datasheet view and type the data in the first field of the first record. After typing past enter button, the cursor will move on to the next field and repeat the same field for all the fields. When enter key is processed, the last field of the record and cursor automatically moves to the field of the next record. Editing records. To edit records, place the cursor in the record which is edited to make and necessary the changes. Use of arrows keys to move through the record grid. Deleting key. The delete key is the record can be deleted from the table of in datasheet view and open the table in datasheet view. Right click on the record selector and the record that is to be deleted. The record will be selected. A pop-up mean value will be appear. Select the delete record from the menu. A dialog box will appear to confirm the deletions. Click yes to delete the record. Next, we will discuss how to insert and delete field in a table. In this, we will discuss the best opinion of for adding the new fields in the use of design view. Select the column before with the new column is to be added by clicking in label at the top of the datasheet. From the insert menu, select the menu. In this, we will discuss that how to insert a deleted field in a table. In this, we will discuss how to delete the key and to delete the field. Select the menu button and then to delete it by placing this cursor. And then in it, from the edited menu, select the delete program. That how to create a edit table and relationships in the MS Access. Table relationships are discussed here. The relationship between the two tables can be created by linking a same field of the both tables. The fields that are linked in both the tables usually have the same data type and size. Field must contain the same kind of information. The fourth point is it is not compulsory for the fields to have the same name, but same names are used to avoid the confusion. The table have primary keys called the parent table, and table using the foreign data is called to create a relationship. Click the relationship icon that is given here, that is the relationship icon on the toolbar. The relationship window will be appear, and in this we will discuss the select the required tables of the tables and double sheet. Click close button for adding all the tables. Click and drag the primary key field and parent table and drop to the same field on the child table. A dialog will appear. Select the enforce reinsurance and integrity constants and press the create button. The relationship is created. A line joining the two fields in the table will appear. The last point we will discuss in this, we will explain the datasheet of the relation table will provide expand and collapse the indicators to view the sub containing the matching confirmations. And again in this we will discuss the how to create the use query wizard. Query wizard MS Access query wizard very easily assist to begin with the creating a select query and click the create query by using the wizard icons in the database, and then the window select the fields you want to be included and click the new button. From the screen select the detail and new primary summaries and details view of all the views and the form and summary will be given with the summarized data. Press the next button and on the next day enter the name of the query and click the finish. Sorting of a query field by default data extracted by queries are not sorted. However, we can resort the field explicitly in the descending order. In this, we will click on the sort now in the row in the field of the field column you want to sort and click on the down arrow. A menu will appear. Click on ascending and descending to sort accordingly and write down its procedure for creating the most using wizards create from the using of wizards and then the presets of the linguist. In this we will discuss the processes of create from the using wizard. A dialog box will appear and the process in which as the screen of the select from layers and slide. This is the final screen from the creation. Thanks for watching my video.